Hello Samir, how are you?
Very good. How about you?
I'm thinking of something that makes me bad.
What is that? Maybe I can help.
I have to be able to master graph theory. Do you know about that?
Accidental. Yesterday I just gave tutoring about it, and I quite mastered it.
How lucky I am. Can you help me?
Sure. Do you know what graph is?
I don't know. Our supervisor told me to learn self-taught.
I'm concerned about that.
You sneeze. Do you get coronavirus?
Of course not. I'm allergic to dust and dust was much guaranteed.
Oh, please forgive me. I'm just being careful.
Never mind. I understand that. Okay, let's continue in my conference room. Okay, we continue. Graph theory or graph theory in mathematics and computer science is a branch of study that studies the properties of graph or graph. Next, do you have a question?
Please explain about the production process.
The production process is an activity that combines the existing factors of production, man, money, material, method, to produce a product, either in the form of goods or services that can be valued more or its benefits by consumers. Next, the nature of the production process is processing, which is processing raw materials and auxiliary materials manually using equipment, so as to produce a product whose value is more than the original item. Do you understand?
Of course, I understand. Then can you explain the path and distance?
All distance path tools basically use the same algorithm to calculate output. The essential difference is determined by the main output of each tool. Next, I will explain the trajectory of Hamiltonia. Hamilton's trajectory is a trajectory that goes through each vertex in the graph exactly once. If the trajectory returns to the original vertex to form a closed path circuit, then the closed path is called the Hamilton circuit. In other words, the Hamilton circuit is a circuit that goes through each vertex in the graph exactly once, except the original vertex, as well as the final vertex, which is traversed twice. A graph that has a Hamilton circuit is called a Hamiltonian graph, whereas a graph which only has a Hamiltonian path is called a semi-Hamiltonian graph.
Extraordinary. I understand what you are explaining. Thank you very much, Samir. Can I ask you again later?
Of course, it was very pleasant.
Thank you very much, Samir.
You're welcome, Lizzie.